Hello everyone. Welcome to the Keyhole mobile app. In this video, I am going to brief the features of the Keyhole app. First of all, you have to click on the eye icon to get all the explanations of the game. You can translate to see the page in different languages by clicking on the translate button. Next, you have to click on the bonus button to get a daily bonus. Now spin the wheel to get the daily bonus. You have to wait for the next 24 hours to get the daily bonus. But you can get a bonus instantly without waiting for 24 hours. To do so, click on the gift box button and watch 3 ads to spin the wheel again and you will get the bonus. Now after watching the 3 ads, you can spin the wheel again and win the bonus. Next, earn coin to guess the 4-digit secret code for cash prizes. By pressing the 99-cent padlock, you can buy 1 random number. You can record a funny video and can upload it on the app. You can publish ads. A user has the opportunity to promote their company for 1 month. I hope you have learned how to use the Keyhole app. So what are you waiting for? Today is your lucky day. Follow these simple steps. Download app, upload a video, spin the wheel of fortune, and try your luck by guessing the secret code to win the jackpot. You can download our app from the Google Play Store and Apple Store. Thanks for watching the video.